Page 67, Lavender's Blue. Again, they're not introducing anything new really. We're just using what we have, and things are getting tricky. We've got eighth notes, we got some trickiness in the right or left hand we need to deal with, so let's talk about it. 3/4 time. I'm going to start with the right hand. The right hand doesn't play on the first line, so go to the second line when the right hand plays. 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1. That, believe it or not, is the right hand. The right hand doesn't play on the third line, it plays on the fourth line, but it's the same as the third line, so okay, that's it for the, you got the right hand. Nice surprise. But the left hand has all the work. First line, starting out in C position, 1 and 2. Now you got to reach out for the A. Don't move the hand up here, just the thumb. Leave the hand where it is. 2, 3, and then second line, you come, same thing we did in the previous video. Just come down here, and you got, that's tied. And then the third measure, you got that A again, for 1B, and then come back down. So we're not really moving the hand, we're just moving the thumb. Third line, 1 and 2 and 3 and now here on the eighth note, you got to cross over the thumb to get the A. See, we've already done this with an A flat, but now it's an A natural. You know, here, 1 and 2 and 3. And again, when you cross over here, just relax and you can practice that. Go as slow as you gotta go. Don't twist around or try and do any weird things to try and make it work. Just relax the thumb and go over one note. If you're practicing the C major scale like I've been encouraging you to, this should be easy, because there you gotta go over to third finger over the thumb. Here it's just second finger. That's really the trickiest part of it. Put the hands together. Well, in the first line it's just left hand, so let's go to the second line when we're both playing. It's here. The left hand's tied. Both hands, now it's more and more, both hands are playing at the same time. Again, second line, the last two measures. You're playing both hands at the same time here. You got a half note in the left hand, so you're going to hold that down as you play the E. Now the quarter notes are together, and then the dotted half notes together. Because they line up vertically, you can see that they're together. And that's the way. Then the last line is the same thing. That's about it for this. As far as how fast it goes, people will play this at different speeds. It depends on what you can control, because those eighth notes need to be even. Carefully. You can't play them evenly, you're going too fast. And again, the scale will help smooth this out, because that's really all the scale is doing. Help you to learn to smooth these notes out, so when you get this kind of stuff in music, it's easy to play, or it's less difficult to play. I don't know. I'd like to play this with you slowly, and we'll double check the notes and the rhythms, and it is repeated, so we're going to play it twice. I'll give us 3 counts, so go ahead and put both hands in C position, and here we go. 1, ready and go, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 1 and 2 and 3 and 2, 3. 3, oh.